The charm of the territory that is the Logudorgo-Oceano can be seen in the beauty of the nature which dominates it, in the internal landscapes, in the silence of its valleys, in the warm colors which the season offers to the eyes of the observer, in the fusion with the history of this land, which finds in the many architectural structures still visible and visitable, evidence of a millenary civilization. Traveling the paths and roads which wind deep into the territory, one encounters rivers and lakes which determine the birth of ancient settlements. West-facing hills looking seawards can be climbed. Towns are visited with homes facing valleywards that manifest the building tradition of upper and middle-class homes of the 19th century, alternated with simple buildings typical of the rural tradition. The views are truly breathtaking. The small villages perched on rocks, the rural churches, the woods of oak and holm oak, the changeable colors, the flocks and shepherds, the flight of the eagles and hawks, all the taste of the tradition of a generous land, daughter of itself.